What's up, guys? Gonna do some off-roading today. Had to fill up the truck. Gonna go inside, get some snacks. Stay tuned. So we're starting our little trek by the Boodle Mill near Central City. We're gonna go up to Yankee Hill. There's about 3 cemeteries right here, so that's a little eerie, but hopefully we have a good time. Keep on watching. Got a whole crew of side-by-sides gonna go ahead of me. They're a lot quicker, so I'm just gonna let them go. So this is a pretty popular area. I have a whole bunch of side-by-sides in front of me. Some of them are pretty tricked out, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, they're gonna go ahead of me because they're gonna go a lot quicker than I am. If you don't know the trail systems up here, they can get pretty busy. I mean, it's the weekend, so it's gonna be busy for me today. But there's a lot of different trails up by Central City. A lot of them connect to the Apex Valley Road. Yeah, you could always come up here. You're gonna find a trail. I'd recommend doing research before you come up here because I turned down the trail once and I had to Austin Powers my way out of there. Gonna try and get up to Yankee Hill. And yeah, as you can see, there's a whole lot of vehicles in front of me. We got like Disco Man in front of me, so it'll be easy to follow him through the dust. Keep on watching. When you pull off from the Columbine campground, that's when the fun begins. Just turned on to Yankee Hill. Keep on watching. So we're up here about 10,000 feet and there's not a lot of snow. So far it just seems like a dirt road. There's like a couple ruts over there, but yeah, there's speed limit signs saying you have to go 15. I mean, I'm going 15, so I guess I'm going the speed limit. So yeah, so far this isn't, Yankee Hills doesn't seem that crazy. The trail pretty much turns into a residential area, so I'll skip that part. We found this cool parking lot, climbed a cool rock. Caught up with these guys again. Don't know what's going on. So I don't know if someone's stuck on the hill, but we are stopped. So there's a little bit of slick spots. It's snowy in Colorado. So I mean, this stuff, you're losing a little traction. Especially with all these people, it gets a little icy. And yeah, we go somewhere up there, I believe. I had thought I gave them plenty of time to get ahead of me, but I think we found the problem spot. Some built rigs ended up behind me, so I decided to let them pass before I tried my hand at the icy hill. So I backed up a little bit to get a little bit of momentum, put the truck into 4 low, and I decided to lock my rear diff. I tried a few times, but I ended up taking the bypass. Some more UTVs ended up behind me and a few Jeeps. They were getting stuck on the hill right next to me. It was real icy. I'm glad I took the bypass on this one. Well, I was happy until... Man, I hit my door handle on something. That sucks. So we're at the bottom of Yankee Hill right now. Everyone went off to the left. I'm gonna go straight. No, but it makes sense. It goes up and around that way and you just get out to the highway. If I want to get crazy, I could run it both ways. We could see how crazy it gets. Yeah, I think it's easy to pass those UTV guys. This trail hasn't been that narrow, so I think I should be all right. I'm gonna go this way, even though they went that way. Hopefully it doesn't suck passing them later. So yeah, fun little trail right there. I think we're dropping down into Alice right now. There's some fun stuff in there, not too much snow. There's pavement right here. We made it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.